OKUMA LB-35II. First, we will do the turret actuation in counterclockwise. Now we will go clockwise. We will wrap it towards the spindle. We'll come down. Back up. As you can see, I'm just using these arrow keys. All the way to the top. Now all the way back. Now we will do the spindle test. Go here to MDI, M3S1000. Enter. Starting at 30%. So cycle start. Our spindle is moving. And we'll go up 300, 400, 500, and 600. I'll give you a walk around while the spindle runs. Here we have our spindle door, spindle handle. And that is our OKUMA.